if you ever wanted to learn MMA, you can get some training this weekend for free.
Allie is live in Sorrento Valley with details on how you can get involved, getting your workout on. Hey, Allie.
Watching it and doing it, two different things.
Two different things, yeah.
You know what? This is honestly, this is one of the most awesome things. And being very serious, this is so important because Krav Maga is what they do here at the MMA Academy, and it is something that a lot of people should take. And I have Mike, who's here. So, Mike, tell me a little bit. You guys have the open house going on this weekend.
Yes, periodically throughout the year, we do an open house to invite the public to come in and try a class. There's lots of things on the internet, videos posted of Krav Maga, and if you look at it, it looks a little daunting, but the truth is Krav Maga is meant for anybody to do. So this is a nice way to bring the public in so they can try a class, maybe a self-defense class or a fitness class, to see if it's something that they would want to train in.
Okay, so when is it?
It's this Saturday. It starts at 8 a.m. It goes to 12 p.m. We have actually 3 classes, level 1 classes online at 9:30, 10:30, and 11:30. People can go to the website and they can register and pick their time slot. We also have some fitness classes that are out sprinkled throughout the morning. We have a challenge class. We do a 6-week Get Fit challenge for people that want to come in and just do something different than walking on the treadmill.
And I think that this was really awesome because, as you can see, there's so many different exercises that you can do, and you mentioned it, and I will agree. I mean, this is for everybody.
It was designed for the Israeli Defense Forces when they had to train the military and had to get everybody proficient regardless of their fitness capability or their skill set, and they had to get them ready to be deployed or be enlisted in the military in a rapid fashion. So the whole system is designed by it's instinct, right? It's based on principles and what your body would do if it knew nothing but just to react.
Yeah.
So.
And I love, it is a lot of self-defense. It is something that is positive that you can go and learn some of these skills so that then you can keep yourself safe, or kids too.
Absolutely, yeah. We have a great children's program that deals with not only the self-defense aspects of being maybe shoved, but also using their voice as far as like being bullied and learning how to have an assertive behavior to stop situations from getting physical and kind of taking control of a situation.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool, you guys. And look at all these people this morning who are getting their workout on. So you want to make sure that you come and check out the open house this weekend. Guys, I'm going to send it back over to you.
All right, that all looks really serious, that back there.
Yeah, they even have
they're like serious
fake
stuff.
knives they're like practicing.
Yeah.
Those attackers are taking their role seriously. All right, Allie, well...
Carlos, I want you to know I've taken a few classes, so don't mess.
Don't mess with her.
No, that's okay. You can. I'm a ninja, so it doesn't
this is
matter.
Lauren. This
I'm
is totally for you too. You'd like this.
I know.
I
love this.
I love this stuff. I just like it. It's a good way to get aggression out. You know.
Jeez. That's crazy
She
stuff.
works next to Carlos. You work next to Carlos all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She has to be good at this. It's part of the requirement.
Yeah.
All right, Allie. Thanks very much.
Wow.
You have to register online.
I'm like pumped up now.
Yeah. I want to do something and just sit here. All right, a new playfield is to be built.